welcome back to Akshay's blog. Hope you guys are doing really great. Yes, we are back on another video. I hope you're having a great time chilling out. So welcome back to another video. On today's video, we are going to watch the most disgusting food as you saw in the thumbnail. Before getting into the video, if you are eating, if you are a pregnant woman, if you are a senior citizen, please skip this video and come back and watch it later. Especially if you're eating, right away skip this video, go finish your meal and then come back, because you're going to watch about the most disgusting food, most weird and horrible worst food that you could ever find in the world. Because you might be wondering, when your mom cooks upma or idli dosa every single day or chapati, you might be saying, why are you giving me this upma, why are you giving me this dosa and rotten chapati every single day? My taste bud is dying because of eating this. But after watching this video, you will get to a conclusion stating that mom's upma and idli dosa is far better than these kind of videos what you're gonna, these kind of dishes that are available across the world. So that is the video going to be all about. Once again, if you're eating, skip this video and come back later. Before getting into the video, if you're new to our channel, do subscribe, click on the like button and share. There will be a share button. I can get views in this video, but subscription is not increasing. So subscribe, like, click on the notification button, only then you will get regular notification, and share this video to everyone. So let's get into the video without wasting much time. First dish is gonna be, let's start with the starter only when we're going to talk about food. If in India you would have tasted chicken soup, mutton soup, sweet corn vegetable soup, tomato soup, but in Hong Kong and other Western countries, Western cultured countries, you find soups with some disgusting animals. So one such soup what you get in Hong Kong is called as cobra soup. Yes, you heard it right, the snake cobra soup. You might be wondering what is there in that. You would have seen in so many food reviews that drinking a snake soup is common, right? Even Chinese people also drink. What is there in this? But this cobra soup, imagine drinking a alive cobra into a soup. How disgusting it would look. So here basically they don't kill the cobra. They take the raw snakes which is alive, put it into the pan, make the soup, make the liquid. Lively they kill the snake into the soup and remove the skin, boil and give it to everybody. So there is always saying that eat the snake before it eats you. They remove the poison is what they say. They remove the poison from the cobra, they put it alive into the pan and they cook the soup and they give it to you. So I can't even imagine how people drink this. And 3.5 star out of 5 is what one channel is given rating for this. So maybe if you want to try something disgusting like this, you can go check in YouTube or Google also. Cobra soup is the name, you might find it. So this second dish is from our country India only. I'm not even kidding, from our country India. This dish name is called as chapra red ant chutney. I'm not talking any bad words, sir. Chapra red ant chutney. With the name itself, you would have got it. This dish is available in Chandigarh, India. Chapra red ant chutney. Basically, you would find these red ants, right? Small ants which bite. They take this ant, they fry it in the pan. Also, there is something called as the ant eggs. What you get, ant egg. They mix that also. They add all the spices like masalas, pepper powder, chaat masala, everything, and they eat it like a chat. You get this chat, no, bel puri, masala puri and all. Dry snacks is what they eat. If I can attach a photo here, you would have got an idea on what it is. So we all would have been wondering, like, if people can really eat ants. In our country only, there's a state called Chhattisgarh where there is something called as the chapra red ant grass that is available. So if you want to try this, you can go to Chhattisgarh, go eat and come back. Never mind, I was just kidding. So the next dish is going to be wasap crackers. I repeat again, wasap crackers. You would have seen the photo here. Everything is normal, no? Why is he telling this food is disgusting? If you can like focus the photo properly, you would end up saying that the black marks in that are not choco chips, instead an insect called wasap. WASAP is the insect name. So basically these cookies are available in Japan areas, north and southern coast of Japan. So here it is a normal biscuit how we do, but here you will find the choco cookies, right, in Unibig biscuits and stuff. But instead of adding choco chips, they are adding some small wasp or wasap or however you pronounce it. So wasp is a small insect like a snake or snail that sneaks into it. It is killed, obviously, it is not alive. They kill it and add it. I don't know how people eat, but in their culture, people love to go and eat this, and they are having a huge market for such cookies and biscuit is also what the government states, and they are making a good revenue out of it. So this is another disgusting snack. So people whoever love biscuits, if you are a very big fan of biscuits or you want to explore, you can go to Japan and try this, or maybe in Amazon if you can get it, you can book and order it also. So next dish is one of the craziest dish that you would have ever heard about. So I can't even pronounce the name. Hackerel rotting shark carcass. Nothing to worry. It is basically a fish kind of dish. But you might be wondering, fish is common. No, Vanjaram, that there's so many fishes are there. What is this guy talking about fish? Now I'll make sure that you will never forget fish in your life. And also adding up to this content, one of the food reviewer has stated that this is one of the worst food that you can ever taste in the world. So I told no this dish name. Sorry, I have to just go through. Rotting shark carcass. Rotting shark carcass. Hackerel rotting shark carcass. This is the dish name. So basically, what happens here is there is a fish. Okay, let's consider there is a fish. That fish is killed. It is buried. It is a poisonous fish, is what they say. It is a poisonous fish that you get in America. It is buried. It is killed and it is buried in the underground. They take stones and they hit it so hard that it gets buried. They bury it for 2-3 months so that the poisonous liquid come out of this fish. Then they take that out after 2-3 months. Imagine the condition. Sands, everything would have been mixed. They remove this fish out. They wash it nicely. They clean it nicely, and they hang it in a bamboo tree for 3 long months. That dead fish is hanged onto a bamboo tree for 3 long months, and then without even cooking, people come and rawly eat it. The tribal peoples and all where in the ancient coast, they come and rawly eat it, is what they say. See my face reaction when I can even imagine. So they take a fish, they bury it underground inside the sand, they press it with the stone, remove it after 2-3 months, hang it on a tree, and leave it dry for 2-3 months. When the poison is gone, and they cook it without even cooking it, they eat, is what they say. So this is another disgusting food that you can't even dream out. So this is another interesting, at the same time weird food that we wouldn't have even known, like no stuff happens because we eat carrot and all that is uprooted, but here alive fish is buried and taken out and eaten. Another level of craziness in food also. You all might be wondering, this guy is talking about food, but why is he not bringing China inside? Yes, how can we forget China when it comes to most disgusting food, because they are exclusive in eating bats. There is also a dog festival there where they cut dogs and chop and eat them also. There is something called as wet market in China where all this raw food which we ancient people can't eat, people eat there. One such reason, even people say that coronavirus also started, but diverting away from the topic, let's get back to the topic. Virgin boy's egg. Yes, you heard it right. Virgin boy's egg is the next dish name. You might be wondering what it is. A funny name they kept, like something because a virgin boy loves to eat egg. No, this is one of the most irritating thing that you could ever hear of, because in China, here how do you eat a boiled egg? You take the egg, you keep it, wash it, you keep it, soak it in a steamed water in a cooker or somewhere, remove it after 10 minutes and eat it, right? That is how you eat a boiled egg. But here in China, they take the egg, the normal egg, pigeon egg, or the hen egg, whatever egg you get, they take the end, they go collect urine, the toilet urine from all the schools and houses where kids below 10 years have passed their urine. They go collect that urine in buckets and come to the kitchen. In certain restaurants, I'm telling, it's practiced in certain homes also, they say. They soak this egg into this urine for like 24 hours of time, and once that egg gets soaked, they cook it and they serve it. I repeat again, they collect urine of kids below 10 years. There it is followed since an ancient practice time also. So they bring the urine of kids like below 10 years, soak the egg. Sometimes they boil the urine with the egg and also they eat it, it seems. So this is one such disgusting food with Chinese people, and many families also cook and eat, is what I read in some of the articles also. So this is another disgusting food, because when it comes to food we can't quit China. So when I was researching about China, this is one such weird food which did flash into my mind. Next dish is called as ptarmigan shit. Yes, ptarmigan shit. This item is found. This food is found in Greeceland, and there's another interesting saying. Okay, this is little funny. When you go to Greeceland, you tell somebody to go eat shit. They won't feel offended. It seems they'll be glad enough and they'll welcome you home to eat that shit as a dinner. So that is the culture followed here. Here, if somebody tell you are not unfit for everything, you're only fit to go and eat shit, you get so pissed off and angry, right? But in Iceland, Greeceland, Greenland. In Greenland, it is not in Iceland, it is in Greenland. In Greenland, you go and tell somebody to go eat shit, they'll be happy and they'll join you. They'll welcome you also to join with them to go and eat shit. Because there is something called as the pigeon shit that is collected in winters in Greenland, and they collect the stock of this pigeon shit in Greenland during the winter season, because in summer season they don't find the pigeon shit systems, because birds won't be available there during the summer season. So they collect all the shit, and during the summer season they roast all the meat, fries, all their kind of food what they get with this pigeon shit. They purify it and they roast it and they have it seems. And also as a side dish, like a sauce they create and they eat it seems. I don't know what type of combination they do, but this is another disgusting and irritating food that you would probably find in Greenland. So I don't want to trouble you guys with some more irritating foods, because you would have been fed up and done with this itself. So I thought of collecting the most shittiest food that you could ever find. Shitty is not a bad word. Now if anybody tells that why is this guy using shit too much, I'll go complain to the Greenland government, because it is legally available the word that can be used here. So jokes apart, I hope you guys did get to know that these are also there. So next time when you are gonna scold your mom or anybody that cooks food for you, remember that there is something called such worst food that is being eaten across the world also. Our upma and idli is way better and healthy and authentic is what I feel now after this. So what, I'll see you guys in another great video. Please do subscribe to our channel, show all your love and support. Once again, see you great in another great video. Have a great time. Cheers.